Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times, and this is the Boult Audio AirBass ProPods. So one of the large portfolio from Boult Audio, one of the products from that portfolio, and these are the touch-based true wireless earbuds, obviously, and they come with the extra bass. So the series AirBass has not just this, but there are quite a few. We'll be talking about the TrueBuds in a separate video, but for now, let's talk about only the ProPods. And they have this brand ambassadors, and now these are the major features of this particular earbuds. So it has 24-hour playtime, claimed is 24 hours, and I frankly have tested them, not this particular box, but we have multiple units of them. So obviously I tried them and I got about a total of about 18 to 20 hours, yeah, 18 to 20 hours of total battery life, of which about 6 to 7 hours was from the earbuds and the extra charge from the case. And this has the wake up and pair feature, and you also have the Google Voice command and noise cancellation as well. That is claimed, but frankly I haven't got a lot of help from that. It did help to a certain bit, but you can still hear the background sound. Not you, but the person who you're talking to on the call is going to still get some kind of the background noise as well. And this calls and music control, Bluetooth 5.0, that's one good thing. So it has a range of over 10 meters and a quick connectivity as well. And both earbud masters, also stereo calling and microphone. So these are the major features that are mentioned on the box package, and the MRP is mentioned 7,999, but okay, the actual price is 2,499. These are exclusive to Amazon as far as what I know. And we have got this unit from Boult Audio themselves, so we have a range of products from them to test out. This is probably my initial testing on this one. I've used it only for a day, so we have two units, one of which I am giving away in this video. So now let's open up the box package and check out how it looks like. And this is the unit that I'm going to give away to our one of our viewers. For the giveaway, you just need to be subscribed to the channel and comment down below and like this video, and you would be a part of the giveaway. So this is the initial set of things that you get here. You have the user manual, and along with that the warranty card as well. And I mean, if you see the way it is packed, it actually looks pretty neat with the color contrast here, red color box of accessories, and this black one, the matte black. So someone who you know in the tech industry, MKBHD, he's a fan of matte black everything. So I too like things that are matte black. So you have a charging cable here, the micro USB cable, and along with that you have a extra set of two sets of earbuds with different ear tips with the different sizes of ears to match them. So now this is the case. It actually feels pretty hollow to begin with. They aren't that heavy, and the entire case is about 55 grams in weight. That includes the weight of the earbuds as well in them. So the earbuds themselves are 45 mAh battery ones, and the entire case has a separate 400 mAh battery for that extra battery or the extra battery life when you are actually traveling and you don't have the option to charge the earbuds separately anyway. I mean, you can charge it only through this you can charge it only through the case. Anyway, one mistake that I had was this one. It's USB Type-C and not micro USB. So you have the USB Type-C cable, which is a good thing. So at least you don't have to carry a separate cable, since most of the recent smartphones are now with USB Type-C. So as soon as you lift this up, this is the auto connectivity or the auto detection that the case is open, and there's 4 lights, each of which would be giving up an indication of 25% battery usage, so 25% battery filled. And these are kind of similar to how some of the other earbuds look in the market, but one good thing is, since they have the cylindrical stem that would house the microphone and also the LED indicator, these actually are good for calling. Since for calling, usually the other earbuds that don't have this stem, they don't pick up the audio very well. These ones are actually pointing towards your sound source, obviously, so that's where it would actually help in the calling. And these are the in-ear options, so that's a good thing. So the silicone ear tips are going to create some sort of small seal so that there's no external noise entering in. Still, it's not the best of the noise cancellations, but still it's going to help create that seal and also help in a better audio output in the earbuds. And if we talk about the audio quality itself, The Boult Audio ProPods are not the best option, I would say, but for the price you can't complain much. I mean, they are pretty good with what they offer here, and the bass levels are not so heavy, but still they're not that mild as well. You can still, I mean, have that thumping effect when you listen to those kind of sounds that have heavy bass. You still have that, but in the end you can't compare these to the likes of the OnePlus Buds, or even the ones like Oppo Enco M31, because those are costlier. Obviously they are almost double the price, and that's where the difference in the price would give you the difference in the audio quality as well. So you have the Boult Audio logo here, and the LED indicator is present right in center of this one, and this is how the shape is. It actually is pretty comfortable. I've worn them for long hours, about 6 to 7 hours, and since I don't do a lot of gaming with wireless earbuds, I still gave these a try. So I still don't recommend earbuds for gaming because of the latency that they come with. It's almost 100 to 150 milliseconds of latency for each of the earbuds separately. And I mean separately, I'm talking about different kind of earbuds. Some of them have the gaming mode that would bring it down to about 100 milliseconds, but still that is not going to help when you are playing games like COD Mobile or any FPS game. So obviously that's where I would say that yes, it's not going to help there, but for actual music listening they do offer quite a good audio output, and the audio level as well is quite high. It's not bad at all, and this is the touch sensor area where if you tap and give the different instructions, it would actually on a single tap, double tap, multiple taps, there would be separate functions based on that. Now if you go into the booklet itself to let you know about what are the features, iOS 8.0 is supported, Android 4 and above is supported. So everything after that is going to be supported there. And now this is the first time setup. Open the case and earbuds, Bluetooth will automatically turn on. Turn your device Bluetooth on, and they would actually search and easily find them. Now open the case, opens the earbuds. So let's try that right now, and you can actually easily understand how it is. So let me put this back into the case. So the case needs to be open here, so holding them would be better, because if you keep them in this way, it would actually usually give that pressure and close the case. I'll keep it open and I'll try to search for the Bluetooth devices here so that we understand if it's going to be easily ready for pairing. So the Boult Audio ProPods are easily seen here. You can now tap on them and they would be ready for pairing. We can pair, and then we'll see what are the codecs supported here. So you have the support for AAC codec as well. That's a good thing, though this device does not have a proper support for that. So obviously it's going to be falling down to SBC, but we can turn this on. I'm not talking about the smartphone here. Obviously there are other smartphones, a lot of other smartphones from Realme as well that would support AAC codec, and since the earbuds are supporting AAC, that's a good thing here. So these are easily connected. Now there are options that are only through the tapping, and that is how they would easily function based on the tapping itself. Now for the other features or the options to use, these are the other options where you have the double click and single click options. Double click would play and pause, single click would actually answer and end up phone calls. Long press 2 seconds would reject a call, and long press 3 seconds would activate the Google Assistant or Siri based on the platform that you are connecting it to. So these are the major features, and this was a quick unboxing and a quick review of the Boult Audio AirBass ProPods. So this is the long name, but these are, I mean, one of the other options that you can consider apart from what you're already seeing in the market. For a price of 2500, you can't really complain about the audio quality. The call quality is as well pretty much decent and good enough for what you're paying here. So I would say not a bad pair of earphones at all, or a not bad pair of earbuds. That's it in this video. Before we end, I would also once again mention about the giveaway of these earbuds. I'm giving out one pair of these earbuds to one of our viewers. You need to subscribe to this channel, you need to like this video and share this video, and comment down below on what you actually liked about these earbuds. And within a week, we would actually announce the winner of this giveaway on our community tab. So stay tuned for that as well. And I hope you like this video. If you do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.